Hi, I'm Maya. Welcome to Math in 3 Minutes. Today, we're mastering the Pythagoras Theorem, the most famous formula in geometry. First, a quick rule. Pythagoras only works for right triangles. That's a triangle with one 90-degree angle. The two short sides are called A and B, the legs. The longest side opposite the right angle is C, the hypotenuse. Never forget that. The theorem itself is beautifully simple. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. In other words, leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. Why does this work? Imagine squares built on each side of the triangle. The area of the square on side A plus the area of the square on side B is exactly equal to the area of the square on side C. The two small squares perfectly fill the big square. That is Pythagoras, visually. Okay, let's solve some problems. Example 1, the classic 3, 4, 5 triangle. We have A equals 3, B equals 4. What is C? We plug in. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 equals 25, so C squared equals 25. Take the square root and C equals 5. That's it, the famous 3, 4, 5 right triangle. You'll see this triple everywhere. In textbooks, in exams, in real construction. Example 2. Let's find a missing leg instead of the hypotenuse. Say A equals 5, C equals 13. Find B. We start with 5 squared plus B squared equals 13 squared. 25 plus B squared equals 169. Subtract 25 from both sides. B squared equals 144. Square root of that? B equals 12. That's the 5, 12, 13 triple. Another classic you should memorize. Example 3, a real-world problem. A 5-meter ladder is leaning against a wall. The base is 3 meters from the wall. How high up does the ladder reach? This is a right triangle. 3 squared plus h squared equals 5 squared. 9 plus h squared equals 25. H squared equals 16. H equals 4 meters. Always check your ladder angle. Stay safe. Example 4, quick one. What's the diagonal of a screen that is 8 units wide and 15 units tall? 8 squared plus 15 squared, 64 plus 225 equals 289. Square root is 17. Nice. So, quick recap. Finding the hypotenuse, add the squares of the legs, then square root. C equals square root of A squared plus B squared. Finding a leg, hypotenuse squared minus the other leg squared, then square root. Top 3 Pythagorean triples to memorize for your exams: 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, and 8, 15, 17. That's Pythagoras in 3 minutes. I'm Prof. Maya. Like and subscribe for more math.